Now, after you wash your chicken wings, you want to go ahead and pat them dry, put them in a bowl, and then your seasonings, everything that you had mixed, that's what it looks like. Then you want to go ahead and just like sprinkle it over the top. And then once you're done with that, then you want to just like mix them. I use my hand and just rotated them back and forth, to just make sure they were lightly coated. Now we're getting ready to set our air fryer. We want to go ahead and cook our chicken wings at 350 degrees for 11 minutes. That'll be a good point to go ahead and take a look at them, and that would determine if we need to add any more minutes. After looking at the wings, I determined that I'm going to add another 5 minutes. So the total cook time will be anywhere from 16 to 18 minutes, depending on what type of air fryer you have.